Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Zenless Zone Zero game on PC with the Steam launcher for free. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open a Steam, go to the store and inside the store search for Zenless Zone Zero and then click on Zenless Zone Zero. Scroll down and here you will see play Zenless Zone Zero free to play. So click on play game button. And here you will see Zenless Zone Zero. File size is 73.97 GB. So click on install. Then go to library. And here you can see that a Zenless Zone Zero game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following the same steps, you can also download or install Zenless Zone Zero game on PC for free via the Steam launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.